Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for coming back, and of course always supporting my channel. Today's video will be a little different, as you've seen from the title. I just feel like it's just so much you can talk about hair products, which, don't get me wrong, I love, and I will talk you to death about natural hair and products, but there's so many other things that I love, enjoy. I enjoy smelling, purchasing, trying out, and that's why I got inspired for this video. And I said, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and just do something different. So today is going to be a little mixture of household, personal hygiene products, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first product that I'm going to start off is this huge Dr. Bronners Soap. This soap is pure Castile soap. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it or not, but they do have different scents. I use this unscented one because I use it for many different things around the house. I use it as a disinfectant. I use it on my body, on my daughter's body, and I just use it for so many different things. If you haven't, you should check it out, because all you have to do is literally dilute this and you're good to go. Just to go ahead and name a few, you can use this to wash your hands and face. You can go ahead and use this as a soap. You can go ahead and use this to wash your dishes, laundry, mop, wash your pets, all-purpose cleaner, and you can go ahead and use this for spraying plants. You can use this for everything. So it's like you literally have a multi-purpose product that you can use all around in 32 fluid ounces. So this is a must. I would always get this in the eucalyptus peppermint. I can't remember which scent it is, but this unscented one just works better for me and my household. The next one is this lotion by Flamingo. Y'all, I am obsessed with this lotion. Not only because it is thick, but the scent is so delicious. This is the squalene for hydration, white willow bark, and papaya extract for exfoliation. This is 15 fluid ounces, and it just smells incredible. It is so thick. I mean, it is thick, which is amazing. The only con that I would say is I would like for them to have a different packaging, because once it's finishing, you literally have to continue squeezing, and since it's so thick, it's a little bit of a hassle to get out. But other than that, I generally love this stuff, especially now for the winter where your skin tends to dry out even more. This is perfect. If you are in Target, make sure that you go ahead and smell this, because you will not regret it. It smells amazing, and again, it is 15 fluid ounces. This is gonna last you a while. It smells so good. Give it a try. The next product is a toothpaste. This is by the brand RiseWell. I've been using fluoride-free toothpaste for, I'm gonna say, over 10 years, but this, I've been using it for the last 6 months, and I just absolutely love it. This is a mineral toothpaste. It is naturally whitening. It is fluoride free. Of course, it is not tested on animals, and it just has a very mild mint taste, which I love. It is not overpowering, and it is made with, I believe it's essential oils. Love that. I love that. So I definitely made the switch for this mineral toothpaste, and I'm never going back. I just love it. The next product is something that I just use like it is nobody's business. Let me get this straight. This is the Kopari Lip Glossy. This is a must for me. Okay, this is a must. I love this lip glossy because it is the perfect hybrid between a lip gloss and a lip balm. It gives you enough hydration, and it gives you a gloss without it feeling sticky or gooey. That is something that I just cannot put up with, especially with not wearing our mask. This just glides right on. It is, of course, cruelty free. It is vegan, and I just love this brand as a whole just because of all the products that I do use, but this is a must. I I'm always in the lookout for it because I stock up. I get 2 to 3 every time that I re-up, and I usually try to do it when I catch them on a sale because they're pricey, baby. Okay, they're worth it, but they are pricey. I will say that much. Let's keep on with on brand. This is the Pink Soufflé Body Mask by Kopari. This was a repurchase. Okay, I love this stuff. Again, it is vegan, cruelty free, and it's like a reset for, let's say, what I use it for my underarms, for just any area that I want to go ahead and just give a gentle exfoliating spot moment. It's a must. It's a must. Okay, they do have the minis, which you should definitely give a try because they're just worth it. The other one, it is their sugar scrub. Oh my gosh, y'all, this stuff smells so good. It smells like coconut. It smells so good. It is such an exfoliating spot like situation. This is on the pricier side, so if you do not want to try this, I would say give the minis a try, or I will go ahead and pop an alternative somewhere, which I also like as well, but I don't have that one on hand. But this is just amazing. Oh, and let me show you guys the Pink Soufflé mask. Are you kidding me? How cute is that? It doesn't take much to convince me to get something, especially when they work and it's a repurchase. You know I really have to enjoy it because I am wise with my coins, okay? The next product is from the Honey Pot Co. I get this and I literally get 3 to 4 because it's a must. This is the Sensitive Foaming Wash. This is for us ladies. This is for our private parts. This is for the yoni. This company specifically, I like it because of course it is Black owned and it's affordable. You can find it on the ground. It's not something that you have to purchase online, which is definitely something that I love because I don't want to run out of something and now I have to wait 5 to 7 business days until it arrives. So definitely a plus. Now, the next one would be Native. I do use their deodorant, which are aluminum free. I love this stuff because again, it is cruelty free, it is vegan. This is in the Cotton and Lily scent. This smells like that baby powder smell. It just smells fresh and clean and I love that for me and my armpits, of course. But this is definitely a must. I love this stuff. I love Native as a brand just because their products work for me. The next one is by Method Body. They have so many different ones for like energy boosting, detoxing, wind down, detox. And then they have this one, which is the Simply Nourishing Body Wash, which I love that they specify like what the key ingredients are. This one has coconut, rice milk, and shea butter. To me, the scent is all the way like shea butter. I love this stuff. I would definitely say give this a try because again, it is cruelty free and it's just, it does the job. I love it. I love it. And again, it's something that you get on the ground, which is very important. Then moving on to another body wash. This is by Native. This is the Lilac and White Tea scent. This smells, y'all, incredible. It just smells incredible. Again, this is sulfate free, this is cruelty free, this is vegan, paraben free, dye free. There's no color, so they don't dye it. And what I love the most is that all the ingredients that they use, you're really not gonna focus? It's right on here. These are the only ingredients that they use for this body wash, and I love that. Because just a little background, I've been cruelty free for years. It's just something that I adapted and I just never went back. I'm just very conscious of the things that I put on my body just because whatever you put topically is going to go into your skin and of course go into your body. So that's just something that I always keep in mind when I am purchasing different products or trying different products. That was just a little background. Then I do have this face wash, which has been a game changer for me. This is by La Roche-Posay. This is their Purifying Foaming Cleanser. This has been a must. I have oily, acne-prone skin since, even pre-teens. And this has been the most amazing thing that I've done for my face. The foaming, just cleansing without stripping and leaving your face so dry to the point where you smile, you literally hear it crackling, because I was there. But ever since switching to this brand, a must. Give it a try for sure. Then I do have two other products, which are lip products. This one is by Lush. I love me some Lush just because they are cruelty-free, they are vegan, and they use all natural products. This is their lip scrub. This is the candy cane scent, which they only bring out for the holidays, but they have so many other year-round. I just love this stuff. A lip scrub is a must because we be crusty, okay? This New York weather will have you crusty, and we want that, okay? And then the last product, I feel like everyone is onto this. Everybody uses this, everybody raves about this, and I am included in that everybody, but it is the Laneige lip mask, the lip sleepy mask, excuse me. This is in the sweet candy. They have different scents and flavorings. I love this stuff. This is just a lifesaver. Even though it says it's a sleepy mask, if I can find one of my lip balms around the house, I will go ahead and go use this, because why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, it is pricey, but it's worth it. It's going to last you a very long time as well, and you don't need much, and it will leave your lips so luscious you will thank yourself for treating yourself. That's actually all. That is all that I have to go ahead and show you guys. Like I did say, I love talking about so many different other things. If you want me to do a household one, let me know as well, because I love to chat and experiment with other brands and different products as well. Let me know down below by supporting this video. Of course, liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.